I don't go die well. This guy carry my umbrella. Don't jam. Don't jam.
Try. After na close, you don't dey close. You want quick close today? She did not be you I dey talk to.
You say wetin?
I said na close, you don't dey close. No customer.
Wetin e be you say I dey do? Na close now. I don't wait that one now. Na close I dey do.
Na your mother you dey talk to.
Ah.
No wait, na me your mother you dey talk to. You no get respect. Wetin dey cause this one?
Mama, why you dey hold me now? Wetin? Why you dey hold me now?
I dey ask you question, you dey use attitude dey follow me. Say
I
wetin
answer you. You ask me, I answer you. Why you dey hold me now? Why you dey hold me? No be you person drop now. As person drop you, I complain. Why you dey hold me now? They hold me like say I do anything. They drop you now, you chakara enter here. I no tell you anything. They ask me question, I dey answer you. Wetin be that?
Chief, because say man drop me, na body dey pepper you.
I no say body dey pepper me. I just dey tell you say they drop you. I no talk. So wetin come dey do like this?
No, I no understand because say man drop me. You dey wish me bad.
Mama, wait, why they hold me?
No dey call me mama again. I senior you. I be your mama mate. My name na Onome.
Mama, leave me first, free me. You get some guests wey come here, wey does the cause wahala, carry umbrella come up for you. That one dey vex me. You say wey come here and I follow you fight. I follow you quarrel.
I carry which umbrella? My umbrella.
I don't even know if I wan strangle myself. I no just know. I no just know wetin dey happen for you. This your bag, e dey smell man, perfume man. Shift, make her for pack and wear first.
No charging point on the road. Everything for me to change that. Buy the thing I say change. Everything at 5 kilo. Not for cash. I will tell you, this your charging point they give me problem. Yeah? I know. Na just my workmanship now you wan connect. And I no want make you go dey follow man because you wan change phone. I go do am for you. No na your own. If you sit down, na your own rest. I dey come make I do this. This is still.
Get up, get up! Somebody help! Papa, what is this now? Papa! Papa, please get up! You go now!
Sean, Tiger, they call me. Tiger, call me back later. I take this. Now go get patience. Because it will take time. Get people wait on there. This particular phone. What's it Tiger they disturb me? Tiger, waiting now. Papa! Papa! You say anything? Guy! Alpha! Let me step up. I am sorry. I am very sorry. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me, please. I know I have wronged you and your family. Please, forgive me, sir. Please, I beg of you.
Now let me ask you.
How did you get into my house? Who opened the gates and the doors for you?
It's Abel. It's Abel that opened
Abel! Abel!
Please forgive me. I am sorry, please.
Okay.
Sir, please forgive me.
Okay, now listen and listen good. How did this thing get into my house?
Sir, you know say she should come here again.
It's in your house! Why did you open the doors for her to come into my house? Now listen, I'm going to say this once. If you ever open door for this heartless soul to come into this house, I will fire you and take you back to that dungeon where they took you from.
Sir, please forgive me. Sir, please.
Okay. Now, listen. I have forgiven you long time ago. I don't have any business with you. I'm not angry with you. Remember, I am not my son. I don't have any business with you. I'm going to say this once and for all. I don't want you anywhere around my house or my home. And you'll be shocked what I'll do to you if I see you around my gate. And you, sir, if I see this thing near my gate, you'll be sorry what I'll do to you. Come take this out of my house. Come touch my house. Come get out of my house. I want you to take this out of my house. Come, Auntie, I beg. I don't want to be sorry. Come, don't let go.
I'm sorry, sir. Please.
Don't let go now. What does that mean?
Sir, please.
Come take this out of my house. You go.
Sir, please.
He said you go. Come out. Sorry, sir. Come take her out of my place. This thing has the guts to enter my house. Really? Oh, shit. I beg. I get family to feed. I don't want to see you here again. You know, say things out for this cause. I don't want to lose my job. This is the way they do. I don't like them. You can so if you can pursue me for this compound now, you can feed my family. Come they go.
I beg. I need the LinkedIn contact, please. I beg you, I beg.
Where's that LinkedIn contact? Even the old contact, I don't get talk more of new one. Where you want me to go get them?
Not you. I beg. It's just that
which
we
new one? You go ask whether me I get phone to don't get contact.
Please,
I beg, come they go. Hey, come. Oh. Come they go.
Please,
No.
Contact.
Come they go.
What have you done to yourself? Indeed, I can't eat my cake and have it. how shameful and disgraceful I feel in front of Chief Otuba. God. A man that wanted a bright future for me and his son. Jerry, you did this to me. You and that stupid Anita will never go unpunished. You deceit me. You deceit me, Jerry. You gaslighted me along all this way.
Doctor, I beg. This one now for the medicine. Move for the manager at least. The next week I will also more money come.
Ms. Onome, I am very sensitive to your plight. To be very frank with you. Why don't we run the surgery on your father? Listen, I'm not just speaking from the ethics of my profession, but as a professional doctor that I am. This illness is already eating deep into him.
Doctor, they talk as if you don't understand saying my papa will they talk about. Not be your papa, my own papa. And the only parents way I get to. I pay you like say I get 3 million plus for account. I'm going to look my papa like that, may they go. My phone that they repair. I don't get anywhere where I keep the money. To say I get them, my phone don't pay. My phone that they repair for streets. The one where I get now deposit.
So, what about your relations? Okay, your mother. I mean friends. They could be of great help to you at this stage.
My mama. Let the quick call him to glory. Friends, I don't really get friends. Now who get money, they get friends. For now, I never make them. If you make them, friends go come. If you talk about relation has come, I beg, because most of them now me that they depend on. Most of my auntie and uncles, they don't get. Now me they see they call, I see they send them 1 or 2 minutes to whole body. If to say they get, maybe they forgive some of them. Doctor, head full, I beg, head full.
Miss Onome, I am emphasizing on the surgery. That's all because at this stage, this medicine I keep giving to your father will have a great danger on its health. Now you see the reason why I'm actually emphasizing on the surgery. It's very important we do this.
Doctor.
Yes, please.
Just understand one thing. Doctor, listen. I may be breadwinner for my family. Now me all the responsibility for a head for that family. Now only me, I hand strong for my family. I no get another person. My papa no get another person. I no get. But I swear, I don't get. If I get, I go save my papa.
It's alright.
I go save him, I no get.
It's okay. It's alright. Just pull yourself together. Your tears right now is tearing me apart.
I understand. I just dey try let you know say I no get. And they also but life never favor me to give me money. I beg. When I help me, just dey hold am, just dey save am, make you no call am to glory for now. I beg. Double the drug. I beg. Give her high dosage, make body your older. I beg.
High dosage? You want him dead?
What can be your problem now? Eh? Why you do face like that?
Now, I won't write my exam now, eh? So this time around, I don't come write my jam by one again.
Tega, I understand what you talk. Me self, I dey feel for you. But you suppose understand now. You see, our papa sickness don't start again. I beg now. I dey use God beg you. I beg. Just get patient. I beg.
But okay, this school every time now only me with the understand. You know this school.
But when they school, no be me still they pay the bills. You see our papa sickness just start again. You know how much we don't deposit put for inside there as they take give and drip till they attend to them now. I dey use God beg you, calm down. I go send you go school. Everything na my head. Say we dey chop for this house na my head. Anybody wey sick na my head. Anybody wey get issue na my head. No only me or no me dey carry. I'm gonna pity me now. Eh? They pity me. Take her.
Oh my God.
Oh no man! 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 Wait. Oh no man, where's your father? I say where your papa? If you like say you and your papa they joke with me, Abi?
No, sorry, sir. Bring down your voice.
Which voice?
Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about the afternoon? Eh? Tell me.
Everything.
What is good about? In fact, where your papa? Where in there?
You know here.
Where your papa? So you and your papa on no one pay me my rent, Abi?
Landlord.
1 year, 2 months.
Landlord.
I won't collect my money.
You know here.
I know here.
My papa collapsed.
Uh-huh.
He collapsed. I think say neighbors even tell you. We dey shout, we rush and go hospital, no be smart, you know. Person no just know. The man just collapsed. Thank God say we dey around. My people dey around, we can't help me. Carry am. If not, by now another story. Help me, thank God.
I don't want to concern me. Eh? Answer me. I take concern me. I know they among the people where they want them when they drink up and down for our area. Eh? I know they. What thing I want here be say I won't collect my money.
Oga landlord, you don't do yourself. Why you go to insult my papa like that? Now only us the hope. Sister Bell, leave me. Which kind of TV that one?
Don't worry you. No mind, I'm an adolescent. You know young children of nowadays, these Gen Z, they don't get respect. I beg, no vex.
So they call this one adolescent, Abi? Na small pikin. And you hear their pata, which they yarn for mouth. See, let me make I tell you. Make I tell you. The next time when I go come this compound, when I go come this my house again, I go land here with police and lawyer. Yes.
I beg, sir, I beg. I could pay the money, make a hustle. I could pay. Once I just settle my papa hospital bill, I could pay.
That one no concern me. Wetin I know be say I go collect my money the next time I come. I don't talk my own finish. Bye bye. Leave me.
Leave her now. You say come back.
Troubles every day. So many wahala. I don't know what to do.
You just say they try to affect person, say me no control for us. Why are they frustrate me for this house? When I want to kill you, I mean I want my get me for this young age.
I don't know.
Only because there's someone like this, and they pity me. Instead of me to join me, baby, man. I get out of the fire you there. What did they worry you? When I want to straight me for this house, you know inside the pass through at my age. Now me go take care of papa, now me go take care of now me go feed me, now me go do everything. None of you pity me. So I say this life just tire me. If to somebody say this I shall work, no let me do. If I don't carry myself, give one man whole say. If I money give me my sort of this na poverty be. The frustration not kill me.
Come in, the door is open.
Amaka,
What do you want?
Madam, what do you want? What is it? Eh? What is it?
The almighty classy babe, what do you want? Wait, Who gave you my house address?
Answer me, who gave you my house address?
Amaka, please. Please forgive me.
You're my only hope right now. I don't have any other person but you. I am your sister, please forgive me. Amaka, I am hopeless. I'm sorry, please.
Madam, listen, I'm not your problem. I'm not the cause of your problem. I don't even know what is wrong with you. Come on, why are you stalking me everywhere? On the road, in my workplace, now in my house, what do you want? What do you want from me?
Amaka, please. I know I have wronged you. I know I've hurt you so bad. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me, please. I know I messed up. I know I did a lot to you. Please. Forgive me.
Do I look like Darlington to you? I mean, why will you hurt me? Because the last time I checked, you sent me out of your heaven and asked me to go to hell. Madam, if you know where you had your bath, kindly go there, pick your towel and stop disturbing me. Out of my house. Get out of my house!
I'm stopping. I'm going to see. I'm going to I'm please forgive me.
Get out! Nonsense.
Amaka, I don't have anywhere else to go. I'm begging you, please. I'm hopeless.
Sister, how am I not going to write this exam? How? The deadline is next week and I don't have any money on me. Sister, I know you are trying. Run on now, sister. The last money you sent to me was for practical. Sister, I know Papa is sick. Must Papa fall sick all the time? If I no write this exam, things go spoil. Oh. Things go in fact, I dey come house. I been come. Who be that? Sandra, you are back.
I'm back.
I know say na malaria now. They always tell you make it the lock window. You know they agree the lock window. I don't have any money to treat malaria. Sandra, what is the meaning of this?
I am 2 weeks gone.
How this thing take happen now? How? Why? Why will you get pregnant? I thought you are smarter than this. Can't you take care of yourself, Sandra? How this thing take happen? How?
Did I just hear you say how? How this thing take happen?
Yes!
No, when you were busy having unprotected sex with me. Did you think you were pouring on a stone? Oga, I am 2 weeks pregnant. And don't even ask me, I thought you were smarter than this. I am not smart. I am not smart.
Sandra,
the only thing I know I am at this moment is pregnant.
Sandra, please listen. Adding up this pregnancy to the situation now, it's not going to be easy for I and my family. Please, I think you will remove this thing, please. We get rid of it.
I'll get rid of what? You're kidding. Please. Don't even start.
Sandra, but even if I came inside you, why can't you take care of yourself?
Take care of myself as what?
Postino 2 is there, Post P is there.
Why didn't you buy Postino 2 before having unprotected sex with me? Did you give it to me and I didn't take? Are you trying to blame me for this? Really?
Sandra, you will get rid of this thing.
I'm not getting rid of this
Sandra,
thing.
You get rid of
I'm
this
not
thing.
doing it.
Sandra, I'm not ready to be a father.
You should have thought of that when you were busy having unprotected sex with me.
Don't understand. When this thing is working, brain don't work. When this thing is working, brain don't work. How this thing take happen?
I am not getting rid of this pregnancy. Case closed.
Are you ready to suffer?
Have I not been suffering since?
But you should have asked me if I'm ready to become a father.
You should have asked yourself if you were ready to be a father before coming inside of me. Please, enough of all this. Myself and my baby are hungry. Is there anything in the house? You cook. You dey look me. You don't even get food.
Wahala every day, Chimo. Who will help us? Chimo, onyege nyeranyaka.
Doctor.
Oh, Miss Onome, you're here. What is it?
No, be Mr. Martin, I just come off your office now.
Yes, he is. What about him?
Sure. Doctor. May he be the person who will help us pay all these bills since
Hey, I never said anything close to that. Remember what they say about curiosity kills the cat. Please sit. Miss Onome, can you please sit and let's talk about why you are here? Sit, please. What?
Doctor, anybody die? Like anything die at all? Like cats, pussy, dog, or human being will make Mr. Martin call your hospital?
Nobody died. And I asked you moments ago, why are you being curious?
My daughter, please, I'm sorry for the way I've treated you in the past. I'm sorry for being addicted to smoking.
Papa, don't do, not talk again, don't do, calm down, don't do, rest. Rest, Papa.
Oh no, it's because of my irresponsibility that made your mother to help me you dead.
Papa, don't do, calm down.
My daughter, I don't want to die.
Papa, Mama forgive you before she died. All these things are past tense. You be the only parents who will get to hang there. May nothing do you. Papa no die. Papa no die. Papa no die. You don't do.
Onome, you see, I invited you to my house. Make I tell you, waiting they bother me for mine. See, waiting they don't say, you don't tell where I don't eye you. And I like you. So I go like make I do better things for you. Yeah? So I don't know.
I don't understand. You see they try talk.
Well, make I explain myself very well. What did they say? I want you, Onome, to be my third wife. See, you see that house? That house where your papa, your younger ones, all of them, even you. I go come out my hand. I go come out and leave am for you and your people. But that house no mean anything to me. You see, all those ones, why you see me, they shout, they rake, they move, you know come from my mind though. The only thing we did be say, you just accept from me. I go even dash you 5 million naira on top. 5 million naira, I go dash you on top. Just be my third wife.
Landlord.
Landlord. I do hear you.
Poverty na bastard.
Na so they talk am now. And
so because say I come, make I come beg you, make you give me more time. My for gather 180,000 naira our yearly rent give you. Now you just feel say I no get dignity, I no even get anything where I need for this life again. I to come follow old man where even you something done with that. I come follow you, come become your third wife. If you know they catch you to even ask person like me out as your third wife.
Come. This one where you dey talk now, me say you no agree. Abi? You no agree. No problem. See, let me tell you. As you take talk, say poverty na bastard. Na bastard where him be. Eh? Poverty. My people say poverty na disease. See, make I tell you. Assuming say you gree. You know what is 5 million naira? 5 million naira no be small thing. No. It go come out you for that poverty where you just call bastard.
Landlord.
See, no problem. I go come back to that house with police, with lawyer, with thugs, everything to chase on a common. I even leave my own house for you. Tell you say the thing no mean anything to me. No problem. Poverty na bastard, Abi.
See,
I go show you.
It's okay. I don't blame you.
You don't finish.
My condition now I blame you know why? Because me na hustler right from time. I know they lack money. I say na responsibility. Why they use money, why they make the carry the big person.
You show for your body now. Say na responsibility. You show. Now you make it up.
So now if I not give you the 180,000, you go bring talks, Abi. You go bring police come out.
Yes, I go do am.
I go carry your 180.
Since you no wan agree, they tell you say I dey hire you. The baby dey tell me say I still need your papa 3 years.
Nomski, no, not be me. Oh. I did on my own. She begin to draw the pass. I know say na man I be.
Eh?
Not be you.
Eh? Stop am no. If na play, stop am. No even try am. No try am with me. Oh no, I no go like give you. Na my friend you be. Na him o. I did my day. He say make we run package. No be you talk say we wan run package.
I go show am evidence.
Show am evidence. Bring evidence. No be wetin you talk. No be you beg me.
You call be me now.
No, how I take call be you? How?
You know me. Oh.
I swear, I no go like give you. You know say you na my friend. I no go like give you. Na him cause am. Na him fault abeg.
Sense your mouth. You get liver. You open your mouth. Say me na your friend. Doris, you call me friend. Or you get mind. The small chance where you get, you can't chop me.
Oh God.
No, na him say make I chop
am. Na demon. No
Ah.
be friend you be. You be Jezebel.
No, I never reach like that.
I only God know how many times you don't put some for me where I dodge am.
No, I no fit do that one. No fit.
Nomski, no.
Go match your score. You touch me
I
again.
dey on my own.
Under fire.
You say make she chop me, Nomski.
So you get mind dey like my friend abi? Wetin now come here? So because say she don go ahead, wetin as how now? Oga chief Jare, I no dey. You dey chop who? See, avoid me o. Avoid me. Avoid me. I go choke you. Avoid me.
Because you don cast.
I have told you to terminate this pregnancy. I have told you to terminate this pregnancy. If you refuse to terminate this pregnancy, Mamba, I will deny it.
You deny what?
I will deny it.
You deny a pregnancy that you know that you're the one that is responsible. You will deny it. You stand here and open your mouth to tell me that. Don't push me, oh. Don't push me, oh. Don't make me call home. You know who my father is. Don't even make me call home because of this. You better advise yourself. Use your head. Rubbish.
Sandra, why are you being so unreasonable right now?
Okay.
Why are you being so unreasonable?
You can go ahead and call me whatever names you deem fit. Go ahead. Call me whatever you decide to call me. But let me make something clear. Firstly, I am moving into this house. This house. I'm moving in here with you. Secondly, I am not taking any pills for this pregnancy. Get that into your head. No pills. Not now. Not ever.
You lie.
Okay.
How this thing take happen? How? Sandra, I've told you that I don't have any money. How else do you want me to explain to you that I don't have money? To the extent of me calling my sister this afternoon, she told me that there's no money anywhere, even at gunpoint. You must terminate this baby. What are all
You
this?
should have thought of all this before having unprotected sex.
Am I Tottenham?
I remember severally when I said, Voke, don't come inside of me, oh. Voke, please don't come inside of me, oh. Voke, please, can we use protection? He said, no, it's sweeter without protection.
Is it that easy to pull out?
Now, we are pregnant. Me and you, we are expecting a baby. You're a father.
It is you that is pregnant, not me.
We die here.
Is it that easy to pull out?
We die here.
I've told you, when this thing is working, this one don't work.
Nice one.
When this thing is working, brain don't work. How else do you expect me
Let
to
your
explain it to
pocket
you?
work now. Since this one is working, this one is not working. The pocket is working now. Let the pocket work now.
How this thing take
How
happen?
it happened is, both of us laid here. This very position. Now here we lie down. You dey do. Now belle don't come. You dey ask how this thing take happen. On this bed was where it happened. Man up. We are expecting a baby.
You are expecting a baby, not me.
We are both expecting a baby. Period.
I don't know what you're saying. My point is you must get rid of this thing.
That's
a
poverty
period.
speaking. It's poverty that is speaking through you. Overcome it. We are expecting a baby. The baby no send you message.
Ma, I beg. You see, me, I go school small. But you know, for this life, nothing like handwork. Now, handwork what I learned today, now ain't go help me tomorrow. And with the way country just a be now, I really want make you teach me. Teach me how to repair phone and how to fix laptop. I go pay, will not be free. Eh? My mind just say make I get other places where I don't go, but my mind just say now you go teach me. I beg.
Because you say you want to learn how to repair phone and laptop.
Yes.
My head full now. I'm not in the mood to teach anybody. And the ones who I don't fair teach before, they show me shege. Me not ready to say another shege.
Hey, man, I'm just sorry for that too. But you know, go ever regret if you teach someone like me. As you see me like this, I dey humble, I dey very down to earth. I no be person who will give you while. I no be all those boys. I don't know what thing they do to you. But me, you were even happy say you know somebody like me. If you tell before you tell me to do something, I don't do am. I no be person who go say no do this thing, I go do am, or I no be person where they thief or anything, nothing.
Because I beg, I don't see shege for boys' hand. Many boys who are teach work for here, and so they thief, they carry people phone run. Then they insult me because I be woman. I know they're in the mood. And you where they see, you be like person who feel disrespectful.
No man, at all. Na me be respect. My middle name na respect. Disrespect you for my oga. You know the possible man. Just tell me how much I go pay. You no go regret am. I beg. You no go regret am. As you see me, I don't win my village people since. They no fit, my village people no fit do me anything because me and them we don't battle and win am. As you see me like this, I don't battle my village people, win them. My village people no fit do me anything again for this life. So no be say tomorrow I go come change my way. Don't tell you say no, na village people. No be for me. I beg you. I think God beg you. I go there assist you, I go there help you. Anything you want me to do, I go do it. You go see her with your eyes. If you don't work like that, make you sack me.
I don't hear. If you work here, I go to teach you.
Hey, mama, toilet for you. Thank you. So you never tell me how much I go bring. I know say I go bring drink normally.
But money never be problem. Make I fair wash your character, see how you go be. Later you go bring money. No be problem. Anytime when you gather the money, you go bring.
Ah, mama, you don't do a finish for me. Thank you. Thank you. My generation go too happy. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
I don't hear bros. I dey pass through a lot. I beg. I don't hear.
Okay, man.
Where they go now?
Okay, I don't want to ask something with a lot so you pass through. Or maybe next time when I come. Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Bounce out of here and get place. Eh? When they worry you, know they go for what you don't discuss yourself.
Vex now, not vex. Forgive me. This thing, I know do intentionally. Not vex. You know, never happen again. I
shut up your mouth. Not be 1, not be 2, not be 3, not be 4, not be 5, not be 6. How many times when you don't do? You be call man. So tell you Christ reach my friend Doris. You dey mad. You don't know fire. Get out of here now, man. No change that for you. Get life. I said me shit for you.
Okay, wait. I for like me come house, Go sit down, talk this matter, settle everything. I beg. I just want me come house, we'll settle this matter.
Make me come house, more settle. Because you think I be fool, Abi?
No, no.
Let me call your ass. Let me call your ass. You don't know where I fool, Abi? You don't know where I press.
Vex. You know where happen.
Get out of here, let me tell you. I'm going to use this to come and fire you. Come on here.
No vex now.
Get out. It's pressing. You don't finish that today. I beg, come and go to that church. I beg. I go see for God and fire you to person. He said, anyway, you come for your uncle, so they do anyhow. I said, go back judging for me, massive funds.
Oh, judging. Sorry, ma. Where I feel by am, because I don't know where they sell am. Oh no, I know. I don't remember where they sell am. When I go by am, I go know where. Bros,
I dey see you around my babe. Who you be?
I be apprentice. I dey learn work.
Since when you begin learn apprentice for hand?
Not today, but you don't tell why I call and say I want learn work.
Well, I clear you, I clear you. My babe Nomski, if you dey do anyhow as a day now, you know why? Because we'll get issues. We'll get gbege. But one clear say we go settle our gbege, and when we reconcile, everything will legit back. So I just want to make you know in case.
But how that one take concern me? So I get gbege, Nomski, baby. What's be my business for the bros?
See, I'll tell you one thing. I dey poof people become my babe. I don't poof many people become my babe because they come close to them. I dey drive anybody when near my babe. So I won't clear you, I even they wonder. Among everywhere they learn work. No, how they do the repair phone. Why be saying I have place you choose to come learn work? You not see other places?
And because of that way I choose now. Now because of saying that way I want learn the work, bros. I beg, make they go on that they catch me. My boss boyfriend. Because I don't need drive.
Oh yeah, man, go man. Oh yeah, do you now?
Bros, you know the way you drag me.
See. On a very good day, I know they kind like this. On a very good day, I know they kind like this. But I won't clear you. Maybe this today be the first and the last time where I go across you the yarn like this. Disease for my babe, or else I go give you disease. I mean now.
From my head, you won't drop album.
Oile.
Disease.
Oile.
Disease. I don't go, bro.
Oile. Disease for my babe, else I go give you disease. I not go talk am again. Then they walk you. Why do they repair phone there everywhere? You leave for work, where go work, begin to work on my babe. You go see Sha.
Nomski. You see, you're my property. You're my everything, I promise you, I never cheat on you again. Cross my heart. I'm not going to try them again.
What did they worry you? What did they do you? Why did they use me to play? I see finish, I've been waiting. Because I no go school, I've been waiting.
No, now, Nomski.
No, I've been because say you feel say I love you to the extent where we say all the rubbish wey you dey do, I go dey come back. Guy, na me dey pay your house rent. Na me dey buy you clothes, reach your boxers wey you dey wear. Na me dey feed you. Everything wey you be today, na me dey make sure say you be am. So why you go dey misbehave?
Nomski, banji na. Chill alone now. No, I don't tell you something. You know me, man, die if it ever happen again. I don't change you. No vex.
I no blame you. Na based on say you know say me love you. If you misbehave, I go see they come back to you. But ma tell you, ma warn you. You see, this one go be the last one. I swear. If you try am again, if you misbehave.
Ma wine. Ma wine.
At the end of this
I decrease. I decrease. Who go won't lose material like you? Not vex. Some of these things are devil they cause some. So I find out that I'm on you say you give me. I will be now. Which one decides me now, Nomski? My fine girl! Come on, buddy.
I'm the one to transfer.
What is
And it's crazy. Come on, Magic. After you, na you. After you, na you.
All the money you never pay me. Yeah, when you go run me home?
Join all of them, Namski. Join all of them. I will pay, including the 50K. I will slash you the money. I know the delay. Smile now, Namski.
I go bloody if you no pay me back. No problem.
I want to be Iran and US what, God forbid. Don't wish like that. I don't move people because you change. I don't move people. They rush me, but me they rush you. This one see what. I don't shine now. Fire me. Who wants you to? No, I'm scared. Now me, no, I'm scared.
Wait, which kind of woman you see? What type of woman are you? So you want to tell me that you are forgiving Leo just like that after everything he did to you? Do you know how hurt? He really hurt you so badly, and you just forgive him all of a sudden. Why?
I don't understand. All men they cheat now. All men they cheat, my sister. The only thing I go just tell you is say find your own ogbanje, buy enough olive oil, leave the remaining ones.
Me, I'm not comfortable with it though. You cannot continue forgiving this guy like this now. Eh? One day he will just pieces your heart and you'll be left with nothing. So you are trying to tell me now that if Leo cheat on you again and come and beg you, you'll still forgive me?
What did they talk? God will create, Jesus will create us. They cheat on her. Judas Iscariot cheat on her. Peter cheat on her. Rama well me normal person. I don't know go cheat. I will tell you only Leo they cheat on me.
Sister, why are you acting as if it's not paying you?
It's not paying you.
Eh, now.
You lie. He dey pay me. Why did you say I go buy painkiller yesterday? So I try go chemist shop, go buy painkiller yesterday. This is not play.
Hey. So Leo cheated on you and you went and buy painkiller. Don't worry. By the time you continue cheating, by that time, let me see what you go and buy. Yes, now.
I don't understand. Are you wishing my elder sister heartbreak in a relationship or what?
No mind now. I don't blame her. Me and Lara Mona come sit down for my shop. Maybe I'm not they talk about my relationship.
You never reach like that now. Are we not friends? Me, I'm not giving you advice.
Sister, give me small now. Eh? Why is sister? Ma, take more.
Dad. Yes, ma'am. You spoke to my brother this afternoon about what?
See, Martins, I don't understand you guys anymore. I don't even know what your brother is up to and what he's doing right now. Do you understand?
That Chidi is a man and he has the right to make his own decision. And Father, you are the same person that introduced Irene to him.
Did you hear what he said? What I'm saying here is, it's not like I'm disputing or arguing that I brought Irene to his life. What I'm saying that he should get somebody who meets up with his standard. He shouldn't take any woman that is below his standard and status. Don't you understand what I'm talking about here? Excuse me.
Dad, this is not fair. Now I see why you never loved our mother.
Yeah, son. You don't dabble into things you don't know anything about. What do you know about what happened?
Dad, allow him to make his decision himself. He's a man, Dad. Please.
Do I have to repeat myself on this? I'm not arguing with him. Yes, you guys are grown up now. But my point here is, he should get a woman that meets up with his standard. Do you know who I am in this country? Idiot, let's leave here.
I don't have appetite anymore.
We have a meeting we are going for. Please take your dinner.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm just coming from the shop. I didn't meet you or my sister.
Oh no, I went to buy bread and what I'll eat. My sister went to market to buy phone casing.
Okay.
Yeah. I hope there's no problem. Talk to me. What is it? Huh?
I'm being forced to stay at home and not to write my exams, and all my mates have written their exams.
Why?
Because my sister does not have the money to register me. I want to go to school, but there's no money.
Oh, so sorry. Try. And this is just the wrong time. Me, myself, my landlord is on my neck to pay for my rent. This is a wrong time.
No problem, it's fine. Don't bother. I'll be fine.
Hi. I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. But let's keep our fingers crossed. Who knows? So wait, your landlord wants my boss to marry him because of what you just told me.
Yes. That's the same thing my sister said. I don't know. I don't know what to do.
Sorry. Anyway, let's just stay hopeful, okay? Stay hopeful. Who knows? Let's keep praying, okay?
Thank you.
It's okay, let me go back to the shop, eh?
Okay.
Alright, bye.
No, it's fine. You can take the call.
Don't worry. Business first. You say that person give you my number, contact me. Say I dey repair laptop. Now you can contact me, abi?
Yeah, so don't you fix laptops?
Bros, how far you? I dey fix laptop. Anything fixable, anything repairable, I dey repair. Even your relationship, I feel repair, and your life, I feel repair. The only thing I know they do now, say I know they climb pole, go they connect lights. I dey repair fridge, AC, anything.
Alright, that's fine. Some of our company laptops are bad, so I would want you to fix them for us.
I don't know the problem. I go run out for you.
Okay, good.
Get the laptop, they make us see.
Okay, the products are AQ. I'll just call my secretary so she will show you the room where the laptops are.
HQ products.
Yes.
That product, the spare parts, they really dey hard to find. But no problem, I will see. Man, see what if I dey wrong.
Okay, and how much will it cost for you to fix the laptop?
How much? But I never see him, so I never really know what will be the problem. Man see him, man still know how the work be, whether he go hard me. If you go hard me, now so the money go still hard. If
okay, that's
easy,
fine.
the money go easy.
That's fine. And, what would I offer you?
Somebody should come and eat. This is the last food that is in this house.
Sandra, why don't you want to go to your hostel?
Are you kicking me out?
I need to think.
You need to think how? Think now. To think too, you need space. I think they chop, you sit down there, they think. Oh, that think you're thinking.
No, Sandra, you can't keep this baby. You can't. For real, we need to do something about this. For heaven's sake, we are still students.
Okay.
I am running mad already.
You are what?
Can't you see? I am running mad already. I need to think.
God forbid. My baby father cannot run mad. Voke, you will not run mad though. You see, you will be strong with your mental senses intact. This baby will come and meet you sound. My baby cannot have a mad father. And no, I cannot get rid of it. Come on.
Do you even know that if your army father discovered that I got you pregnant, he will kill you? Have you thought about that?
He'll kill me, right? Allow me worry about that. But in case you must know, I'd rather die in the hands of my father than die in the process of trying to kill another person.
God, how this thing take happen? What have I done to myself? How this thing take happen? How?
Oga, come eat though. Now the last food where they this house with this.
Just free me, I beg.
I know hold you. Since when this matter happened, that's how you've been shouting God, God in the morning, God in the afternoon, God. The earlier you accept this reality, the better for both of us. This thing has happened already. God. You're going to become a father soon. Brace yourself, my dear. You're not going to run mad in Jesus' name.
Stop touching me.
Concho.
Sandra, why do you want to spoil my future? Why? Just because you know I have a bright future, you want to spoil it for me. You can't get rid of this thing.
Eh? Why do I want to spoil your future?
Yes. Capital letter, yes.
When you've already ruined mine. Did you just say that to me? Because I'm acting like all is well, you have the guts to tell me that. Like you don't know you've already ruined my future. You don't know that my life is paused already. You don't know that if my father gets to find out that I'm pregnant and I'll be dropping out of school, he'll be very mad at me. Don't you know that? And you're here telling me I ruined your future. Are you serious now? Look, let me tell you. Don't get me angry. Don't even get me angry. Because I'm doing my best to make sure I act like nothing is wrong. Don't do it. Don't tell me that again. Come and eat.
Leave this place, free me. Leave this place! Stop that! What's your problem?
You go come back and meet me. We go born. We go raise the pikin together.
Amaka, please. Amaka, please. My hotel money has expired. I beg in the name of God. Have mercy on me. I know I have wronged you so bad, that you hate me so much, that you despise me. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. Amaka, they're about to throw me out of the hotel. Amaka, please, you know, allow your sister to be on the streets. People, Amaka, please, I beg of you. Please, I need your help. You're the only one for help right now, please.
Yellow Gaka, Irene, you need to be stranded. Because I don't think you've learnt your lesson. Oh, you suddenly need my help, right? Gen Z babe, classy babe, you need my help now. Out of my house.
Hey, yeah.
Out of my house!
You're the only hope I have. Please, I beg of you in the name of God.
The same way you sent me out of your house, the same way I'm doing now, out of my house. Get out!
Please, I beg you. Please, don't do this to me. Please, I'm begging you. I don't have any other place to go. You're my sister, Ami, please. Ami! Hey! Ami, please now. Ami, it's me, It's me and Irene. I'm your sister, Obikosienu, please. Ami, Obikosienu. Hey, God, I'm finished. Amaka, please have mercy on me. Amaka, please have mercy on me. I'm your sister, please.
My pretty girl, I'm so happy to see so happy, baby. Welcome to Nigeria.
Thank you.
How was your trip, baby?
It was stressful though, but I'm happy I'm here.
So how did Nigeria end?
Nigeria is something different anyway, but I'm happy.
Welcome to Nigeria. Don't worry, I'm going to give you Nigeria jollof.
My baby.
Yes, my love.
It has been through the phone, video calls, and all that. But I'm happy to see you.
Happy to see you, my love. I'm the most happiest person right now. That my baby is back to Nigeria. So I love you.
I love you too.
So happy for you guys, honestly.
Yeah.
So happy. My bestie. Thank you so much, bestie.
Thank you, pretty girl. Wow, man, you guys are enjoying Nigeria everywhere.
Babe, everywhere is hot. Like the sun is so crazy. Seriously.
You can see that you have a good car, isn't it?
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm happy. I go love. I bet no love, bestie. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna prepare something, sumptuous for my man.
Oh my God, I can't wait to have that free African dish
Yes, baby.
from my baby.
And I'm going to order abacha from
God.
this one in You're gonna like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'd like something like that.
Right.
We don't see that a
A
lot.
lot of spicy.
That'll be nice.
Wow. Babe. Yeah. A beautiful apartment you got here.
You can say that again.
I like it.
Yeah, it is. You're welcome.
Thank you. Everything about you is just beautiful. And I like it.
Thank you. Come, let's go in. Let's go in.
Let's go inside.
Let's go in, okay?
Let me help with the bag. Let me help.
Oh, you don't need to do
Irene,
that.
let me help.
You don't need to.
Okay,
You're
guys, let's go
welcome.
inside.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Let's go in. Oh, babe. I know you must be very hungry.
I'm fine.
Don't worry, the food will soon be ready, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let me go back to what I'm doing in the kitchen.
Babe,
Yes.
you see, I have this in my heart. I've been waiting for an opportunity to pour it out. You see, all my life I've been waiting for a day I will have an African woman. A woman that will be a mother to my unborn kids. And today, I am before the most beautiful woman in this Africa. Please. Please.
Babe.
You do me a favor and be my wife.
Oh my goodness.
Please say no.
Yes! I'll marry you, baby! Come here. Oh, baby. I'll marry you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you for making me your wife. Ta-da!
Oh my god.
I'm engaged, guys.
Oh my god! Congratulations, baby! I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, my
Wow,
love.
nice one.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
You know what? In 2 weeks' time, I'll be traveling to the UK to meet with his parents. Yes, but he just wants to fix 1 or 2 before we travel for me.
Oh my god, this is nice. Like, I know it's coming too soon, but I'm still happy for you. Like, oh my god.
Thank you.
Oh.
So, Irene, this guy made you to break up with Darlington. Darlington, the love of your life. The guy that bought this house for you. Wow. This life can be something else, so. You know, Irene, I remember when you were all over Darlington and nowadays. Are you for real?
Amaka, for the fact that I gave you the opportunity to be in my space, just to give you the right to talk trash to me. What is your problem? Are you a joy killer or what?
Amaka, can't you just be happy for her? We are here to be happy. She got engaged. Just be happy for her, please.
I don't understand. I should be happy for her. Why should I be happy for her? Baby, you know I told you about this Jerry that you keep on mentioning. Let it not be that this guy is here to break your heart. You know abroad guys, they can do and undo.
Oh, shut up! Shut up that your dirty gutter mouth before I slap your looking ugly face. You bitch. Really? Oh, I sense jealousy and frustration and hate here. I know you wish to be me. I know you wish that you were the one that they got engaged to. But Okwalagi, it don't be say they don't engage me. What is your problem? Amaka, I thought you were my friend, oh. I thought you were like a sister to me. But right now, you are no longer my sister. In fact, from henceforth, whatever that binds us together ends now. Whatever whatever friendship we had right now is ending. Now get out. Leave my house. I can see the frustration is written all over you. Leave.
Irene, you are asking me out of your house because I'm advising you. Really?
Maka, get out. Leave my house. Darling did this. Darling did this for you. He bought this for you. He did this for you. What the hell? Who is Darlington to me? I don't get it. Since happiness and joy is killing you inside, leave my house. Get out now. You want me to drag you out of my house? Get out. Fine. You're just a joy killer. Get out. Please. I am done with this friendship and I don't want to ever see you in my house again. The next time I will set my eyes on you, you will not like what I will do to you. Now, leave! Get out! See, I'm done with your fucking friendship. Leave my house! Take it easy, please. Can you imagine the nonsense? Amaka. It's the audacity for me. Let me see you here next time. You will not like what I will do to you. Hey! Excuse you. Don't interfere, please. Don't do that to me. What rubbish. Sort of have to be happy for me and all of that I'm engaged and she's here telling me nonsense.
Irene, I remember vividly that day you ran to me like a frightened orphan who had nothing to eat. I took you from the gutter. You were begging that I gave you a place in my own company, even as a messenger.
I did not only take you in. I elevated you, gave you a position you never deserved. And I linked you up with my son, Darlington. If not that he asked for some time to get into knowing you, the marriage would have been consummated by this time. See how you're going to pay me back for taking you from the dungeon and giving you hope and life?
Chief, I appreciate everything you did for me. I do appreciate everything, Chief. I am not an ingrate. Chief, I stopped loving your son. I stopped it. I was forced to love him from the start.
You are telling me that to my face?
Yes. I don't love him anymore.
That you were forced to love my son, forgetting that I started this whole thing. Oh.
Yes. Chief, yes, I once loved him. But not anymore, Chief. Not anymore. We part ways for our own good, Chief.
Irene, this jelly of a guy that has turned you against me and my son and my family. Don't forget how we pampered you. I bought a house for you in your own name. My son gave you a car. This is how you want to thank us. This is how you want to appreciate it. The painful thing that you have left my son in pains. As we talk, he's in the dark, he's feeling pain because of your Irene.
Chief, Chief, I did appreciate the fact that you love me. You and your son love me. I'm so sorry that things has to go this way. There's nothing I can do anymore. I'm sorry. Chief, this is my resignation letter.
You've been skipping work. You resigned a long time ago. You're only making it official. Drop it there. A bear that perches on a rope invites itself on the rope the downs of instability.
Sweet guy, you know what? I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you. So thank you for choosing me.
And I want to say thank you. Thank you for not disappointing me.
Of course, why would I disappoint you, man? No, you are. My pretty girl. See, right now, I'll be going to the airport to approve some documents. So that maybe in 3 days' time, we can leave this country.
Can I come with you, babe? Can I come with you?
No, you don't need that. See, I want you to stay back and make some homemade food. Prepare some African dishes for me. You know, I miss that shit. And I need it. I'll prepare something like that for me.
Okay, baby, no problem. I love you.
You know, I'm gonna eat you up before eating.
You wanna eat me up?
Yes, and after eating, I'm gonna eat you again.
You're not sick.
Like that shit, man. See you.
Make sure you're back on time.
Wait for me. I'll be back soon. I'm gonna eat you up, baby.
What is going on? His number is not connecting. And he's not replying his messages. I don't understand what is going on here. He's not even replying me back. Why is he not replying me? What is going on? Look at the time. He's not back yet. I don't understand what is going on. What's all of this? Who will I call now? Who will I reach out to? Eh? Hey, God, I beg. Look at the time. Alright, sir. If he doesn't return, I will call you back. Okay, sir. Alright, thank you. Chief Otumba. Hey. If anything happens to my Jerry, if anything happens to my fiancé, because you're my #1 suspect, if anything happens to him, hey, blood go flow, head will roll on the floor. Because I know you are my #1 suspect. I know you are my #1 suspect. Let nothing happen to my Jerry, or let nothing happen to my fiancé. Okay.
Yeah, sister, I'm coming. Nice. Hello, gentlemen. Who are you people?
Well, I am Austin Wike, and here is my colleague, Michael Obara.
Okay.
We are from the Rich Microfinance Bank, and we're here to serve you on letter of eviction on our newly acquired property.
What? Letter of eviction? How? What is going on here?
Well, here is the document and letter attached. Take.
No. Is this a joke or what? I don't get it. I did not sell my house and my properties to you. I did not sell my car to your bank. As how now? What is going on here? I don't understand. Who is Anita?
Mr. and Mrs. Jerry sold this property to our bank, and you were listed as the tenant of this property. So, yeah, you can go through it.
No! No! This is not possible, no! No! Jerry and Anita, how? I cannot sell my house. How can I sell my house to you people? I did not do that!
Madam, you have from now till 3 days to evacuate from these properties, else you face the legal action.
No, this is not possible, no! No, I did not sell my house to you people, no! Jerry, who is Anita? Who is Jerry? They have killed me! No, this is not possible. Jerry and Anita have finished me. What's going on here? I did not sell my house. I did not sell my house. Oh. Hey! No, 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 no. Hey! God, I'm finished. No! 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 Jerry has killed me, Anita. Hey! My house document. My house document is nowhere to be found. Hey! Jerry has killed me, oh, Anita has killed me, Anita has killed me. Even I thought through my house, my car. Hey, I'm in trouble. Jerry and Anita has finished my life.
Madam, from our information, the lady which you claim to be your friend, she said this house and everything belongs to her.
I was keeping her in my house as my friend. She had nothing with her, just her clothes and bags. And she used my signatures on the paper and gave to you people.
Well, the truth is we don't know who to believe anymore. But the fact remains that our bank bought this property. And we are taking charge immediately.
And I would advise you cooperate with us in order not to invoke legal action.
I am not leaving. I am not going anywhere. This is my house. I am not going anywhere. Don't you get it? That is my house.
Then we involve the lawyer in this matter because we did not recognize you to be the owner of these properties.
See, ma'am, this is not what we're talking about right now. The woman who claimed to be the wife of Mr. Jerry is who we know. And she said you are the tenant here. Please, we beg you in God's name. We are trying to be civil here. We wouldn't want to use force on you. Please.
Oga, try me now. Oga, microfinance. Try me, test me and see that the Lord is good in my own house. I am not leaving this house for anybody. This is my house. Don't you get it? I'm not going anywhere. This is my house. And you expect me to leave my own house?
It's alright. Leave what you hear from us.
Get out! Leave my house! Jerry, my God, we punish you. My God, we definitely punish you and Anita for me. Jerry, you will not know peace in your life. My God, we definitely punish you and Anita. I should have listened to my friend Amaka. I should have listened to you. You want me. You want me, but I didn't listen. Jerry, you deceived me. You fooled me. You fooled me that your parents are rich. They are billionaires. That you came from abroad. Jerry, you deceived me that your parents are in abroad. I swear. You will never go unpunished. You deceived me that your parents have money. You deceived me that they want you to get married to someone that will help with your company. You deceived me and I foolishly believed you. Jerry, why me? Why did you do this to me? Why? Why did you do this to me? God will punish you and Anita for me. Wherever you people are, you will no peace. Wherever you people are, you will no peace. You made me to dump Darlington. You made me to foolishly dump Darlington. Jerry, I dumped Darlington all because of you.
Come in.
Ross. I don't run.
Amen.
Eh?
You mean you're done fixing the laptop?
I don't run everything, sharp.
It's a lie on me.
I feel like what they play. Ask your secretary now. I don't run everything, sharp. I tell you, say no, what they worry the thing, no be too much things. I said, just buy that thing. As you send me money, I go buy that stuff. I said, I just repair everything, put on. All of them just do okay.
I'm really surprised. I never expected it to be this fast. In that case, you must be very tired. Why not join me for lunch?
Azal, how? I don't understand.
I promise you I won't take much of your time. I just want us to have lunch together.
Bros, na business I can't do. As I don't do, and people, customers they wait for me. I don't want miss customer. Not be food be my problem. As you pay me now, I go reach us. I go still run food.
Well, may I'll pay you your money, okay? But I insist you join me for lunch, okay? I promise you I won't take much of your time.
She's a hustler. What a serious girl.
Okay?
Okay, my account number, I know I will send you, but that one, put up for this new one. Come on, the O.
Okay.
Yeah.
For your father's surgery, rather than placing him on medications. Now that the money has been paid, we will have to go ahead with the surgery.
Na lie. How come? Who could have paid for it?
Who this person be one no?
He doesn't want his name mentioned, and he doesn't want his ID revealed. But I can authoritatively tell you right now that he's a very rich, young-looking man.
Rich? It's not for everybody will get money, they get mind to chop money. Who could just go and help us like this? 3.something million. Nasha, Bless I know who do this thing.
Really?
Eh?
Yes.
You know?
Yes. How come you can't pay the 3.something million?
It's okay. This is God in action.